obsessive Disney fans, this one's for you. The inexpensive way to display your Mickey ears. First thing you need to do is head over to Lowe's, grab some supplies. Each of these little things holds 15 to 20 sets of ears. Don't even know what they're called, but they're pretty darn cool. Look at that. Next, you want to grab some thin but sturdy and malleable wire. Gotta make sure you can string it through those little holes and bend it. Attach the white thing to your wall with 2 to 4 screws or nails. String some wire through the holes. Look how easy that is. Boom shakalaka. You like my nails? Just had them done. Then, place your ears however you like. Make sure they're pretty. You can wrap the wire around to hold them in place, loose, tight, whatever you like. And boom! Enjoy your magical display. Happy wife, happy life. And maybe they're my ears. Who knows? See you next time.